Thank you for tuning into our first video of our new series, LSMSA in 5 minutes or less. My name is Byrone, and in addition to being a coordinator of residence life at the Louisiana School, I also serve as an admissions counselor. This fall, our enrollment service team is putting together these videos to make it easier than ever to learn more about LSMSA. Over the course of this series, we'll cover everything from our academic programs, extracurricular activities, residential life, and more. For the first video, I'm going to give you some general information about our school. Everything I talk about today will have its own more detailed video later in the series. So first, I want to talk about the biggest difference between LSMSA and a typical high school experience. And that's the fact that we are a residential school, meaning our students live here on campus. In our new residence halls, which are opening next fall, all students will live in 2-bedroom suites with 3 others, 1 roommate and a pair of suite mates. Each suite has its own private bathroom the 4 residents share. Students are allowed to request both roommates and suite mates. They can fill out a survey and our student services team will match them up with a group that we think will fit good. Students can also request room changes at each 9 weeks break if they want to try living with someone else. The other biggest difference at LSMSA is in the classroom, from the material that's covered to the qualifications of our teachers, down to our smaller class sizes. Our classroom experience is anything but typical. The average number of students in any given course is 12. Classes can be as small as 5 or 6. Also, over 75% of the teachers at LSMSA have terminal degrees in their field. More often than not, your teacher will have a doctorate degree in the subject they're teaching you. This means you're learning from someone who is so passionate about the topic, they went to school for 5 to 10 extra years to become an expert. All of this adds up to the fact that the variety of classes that the Louisiana School offers is unmatched in the state. LSMSA offers over 70 different science and science lab courses, dozens of math and computer science classes, and more than 30 different history courses. We even offer 7 different foreign language options. Now, with differences that big, I want to make sure that you know that there are plenty of similarities too. Students aren't giving up anything coming to LSMSA. For one, we have over 50 clubs and organizations. That's 50, as in 50. Our clubs cover a variety of interests, from standard groups you may be a part of now, like the Beta Club or student government, all the way to clubs that are probably a little bit more unique to us, like Eagle Wings or Minecraft Club. And if you can't find a club your interest, start one. We have new clubs forming every year. Students who come to the Louisiana School still have the opportunity to play sports. You can play here for an Eagles team that we offer, or if you want to be a part of a team that competes in the LSMSA, you can try out for a spot at the local teams like Natchitoches Central that competes on a 5A level, or St. Mary that competes on a 1A level. In just the last 5 years, we've had students play for a football state title in the Superdome, compete nationally in powerlifting and bass fishing. In just the last season, one of our students was a member of a state championship basketball team. So there are plenty of ways to get involved athletically if that's important to you. Again, this has just been a really quick overview about some of what the Louisiana School has to offer. As I said in the beginning, everything that was discussed today will have its own video over the next few months. If you're interested in applying to become a student, applications open every year after Labor Day weekend. If you have any questions, please contact us using the information below. We look forward to hearing from you, and thank you. And I'll see you next time on another episode of LSMSA in 5 minutes or less.